Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to another class for the 6th week of our e-learning chemistry class. Today we are going to continue the topic carbon and its compound. Today we shall discuss the two important subtopics under carbon and its compound, that is destructive distillation of coal and destructive distillation of wood. To start with destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation of coal is the process of heating coal in the absence of air at very high temperature. When the coal is heated at a high temperature in the absence of air or in the absence of oxygen, the process is known as destructive distillation of coal. So during destructive distillation of coal, the four products or four fractions are produced. 1. Coal gas. 2. Ammoniacal liquor. 3. Coal tar. And the fourth one is coke. Coal gas, which is the first product of destructive distillation of coal, is the most volatile product and it is gaseous at room temperature. The second product is ammoniacal liquor. Is liquid at room temperature. The third one is coal tar. It is solid at room temperature. And the last one, which is the residue of the product of destructive distillation of coal, is coke, and it is solid at room temperature. In your final exam in SS3, you may be asked that give the name of this process. That is, when coal is heated in the absence of air at high temperature, what is the name of that process? Just mention destructive distillation of coal, and they will ask you name the product that is gaseous at room temperature. It is coal gas. You may be asked to mention the product that is liquid at room temperature. Just mention ammoniacal liquor, and so on. What are the uses of products of destructive distillation of coal? Uses of products of destructive distillation of coal. That is, what are the uses of each of the products of destructive distillation of coal? The first one is coal gas. Coal gas is used as industrial fuel, particularly to power engines used in metallurgical and other industries. Number 2 is ammoniacal liquor. Ammoniacal liquor. From the word ammoniacal means ammonia, while liquor means liquid. It means ammoniacal liquor is a mixture of ammonia in water. When ammoniacal liquor reacts with tetraoxosulfuric acid, it produces ammonium tetraoxosulfate, and this ammonium tetraoxosulfate is used as one of the important raw material used in making fertilizer. Number 3, coal tar. Coal tar is a mixture of different substances. So in coal tar, benzene is present in coal tar, phenol is present in coal tar, propanol is present in coal tar. So all these products, they are used for the raw material. They are used as raw material for commercial products like dyes, paints, explosives, insecticides, and drugs. So coal tar is a mixture of different substances used in the synthesis of important commercial products like dyes, paints, explosives, insecticides, and drugs. The last one is the coke. Coke is also used as industrial fuel and used for other purposes, like it's used as raw material for the production of water gas and producer gas. Destructive distillation of wood. The definition of destructive distillation of wood is the same as that of destructive distillation of coal. Destructive distillation of wood is the process of heating wood in the absence of air at very high temperature. So when the wood is heated in the absence of oxygen at very high temperature, the process is known as destructive distillation of wood. During destructive distillation of wood, 4 fractions or 4 products are yielded. 1. Wood gas. 2. Pyroligneous acid. 3. Wood charcoal. 4. Wood tar. Wood gas is the most volatile product. It's gaseous at room temperature. Pyroligneous acid is liquid at room temperature. Wood charcoal and wood tar, they are solid products, though wood tar is the residue of the destructive distillation of wood. Pyroligneous acid is the liquid fraction, contains mainly of ethanoic acid, propanol, methanol, and some other compounds. And this methanol, propanol, they are useful in the production of dye, paints, explosives, and drugs. We are going to stop here for today. We shall continue our discussion in our next period. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.